Hello, what's up guys? Today we're going to test the TPMS, the tire pressure monitoring system. And first of all, as we can see, there is user's manual and simply the instruction of how we used it and how can we installation the machine. Okay, quite simple. And this is the machine body. It's worked already, so it means we have battery inside, and there is a solar panel. We also get a USB cable. I think it's for the power supply. Yeah. Okay, and so it means we can supply the power by cable and the solar panel. After that, we get some installation kit. Yeah, we're gonna find out how we use it. And they have 4 sensors, which is front, rear, for the right side, for the left side, 4 pieces of them. Okay, let's check out. I think it's marked very clearly, and we're gonna check how we install it. Okay, let's check out. Okay, here we start to do the installation. According to the manual, we need to put this nut, is anti-thief nut, on the tire first, and we screw it up. And after that, we scrub the sensor. Yeah, it's for the front side, and for the left side is left front. And screw it up. And after we finish that, we're gonna use the small kit that we have in the box. The way of screw need to be against too tight, so that's the way of anti-thief, I think. And all of this installation is quite easy and simple. We're gonna finish the rest of 3. So okay guys, here we have already finished all the left 3 sensor with this small kit. It's very useful, and the installation is easy and fast. And I believe it's gonna work perfectly because it's already have some information shows on the machine. As everybody can see, the tire pressure of my car is low, so I need to do something. But anyway, it works. They'll have some basic information on the screen, and the main information is the tire pressure, and the is monitoring all the tires pressure. They also get some buttons on the machine, and let's check it out. The first one is the power button. I think it's for switch on and off. And besides, they have setting machine, and they have the right button. On the menu is the right button, but I think it's for the adjustment, I believe. And they'll also show some basic information. They have a solar panel, so it have the power supply. When you in the outside place, it will be the power supply by the sunshine, I guess. And they also have some information like the solar energy, solar icon, temperature. Yeah, they have temperatures, and tire pressure. Yeah, and the battery schedule, something like that. I think is quite useful information, and I should say it's quite easy and simple for no matter installation or use. So here is the final step, and I hope everybody like this video. And if you like this video, please comment and like or share this video to your friends. And thanks everybody for watching. Thank you.